Alrighty guys, I'm now in the shop. Let me get straight to it, man. Actually a comeback. They want me to put on they ordered some parts from me, guys. Y'all recognize this oil filter adapter house. Remember guys, you don't get sensors with these anymore. So I got a coolant temp sensor and an oil temp sensor right here. I got to put on. They also got me some new coolant and some flush. But the problem is guys, the code that is setting is oil pressure sensor volts high or something like that, as if it's a wiring problem. But management want me to put another I don't know what this is gonna do. This is hard. If this already been replaced, I think it's already been replaced. So, but I'm gonna do what I'm told, guys. Let me tear this apart. This is the Dodge Durango. But I'm really thinking there's no way. Voltage high, voltage low type codes usually some type of wiring issue. I don't know. But we're gonna replace these and see what happens, guys. I got work to do. Y'all stay tuned for the full video. In fact, I'm gonna try to film some of this. Alright, let's get it. Alrighty guys, like I say, finally made it down here. Let me put some rags in between here. I know how some of my sensitive viewers are. So yes, you should be extremely careful. You don't want anything to fall down in the intake, especially those little orange tabs that pop off. Yes, happened to me a couple of times. Alright, so I get a little reckless from time to time. I don't want that stuff to happen to you guys, but I'm more concerned. I'm replacing a part that I don't feel like an oil filter adapter housing. If it's not leaking, what else could be wrong with it as far as codes and things like that? This thing is not technically monitored. The sensors that attach to it is monitored. Alright, so I'm gonna take it off. Let me unplug. Yeah, I gotta get it off. I gotta replace it. They got me parts here and they said put them on. But you gotta be careful when you're doing this stuff. Like you can tell it's been replaced. Like that hose has been broken already. This harness just laying everywhere. Let me unplug this. Yeah, so this wasn't even, this got to be stabbed in. Like y'all see these two things right here. So, and now I don't know if the previous job, I don't know if it was oil soaked or what, but wait a minute. Oh no, guys, hold on. Hold on. Let me climb up here. Get a closer look. Oh man. This is the problem. This was laying like this, guys. This may have easily rubbed on the sharp edges of this head. Let me get this all the way off. Come on, baby. Okay, it's still plugged into the yeah, look at that. It's still plugged into the knock sensor, so I can't bring the harness all the way up. Well, I gotta replace this anyway, so let me get this off. But guys, yeah, this is an open circuit. Y'all see that? This wire is bare. Y'all see the oh man, this thing rubbed on the corner of the heads, guys. Guys, when you're doing this, you gotta make sure this harness is routed properly, and you gotta make sure this is stabbed into the right. Yeah, the last guy. Oh, I'm gonna drill his ass. Well, I ain't gonna drill him. I'm gonna tell him. Yeah, this is my problem. This wire is bare, and then this coupling. Y'all see that wire there? Oh, wait a minute. Let me get you. When I get it off, I'm committed now. I gotta go on with the job. Yeah, you can see bare wire right here, guys. This thing is rubbing on the head and shorting out the circuit. Whoa! All right, let me do this. I don't even want to show manager what I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I like to mask. We like to protect each other. I like to mask my coworkers. So I'm not gonna even. Damn. Well, I won't. I need content creep. I need content footage, and I'm already committed on this, so the video going up. But I won't let y'all know the ins and out. I won't let management know. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm committed. I gotta replace this oil filter adapter housing. I bet ain't that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna keep this one because technically ain't nothing wrong with it. The sensors, matter of fact, they replaced. Y'all see that? Yeah, these are 2 brand new sensors. So the problem, yeah, this is rubbing, guys. I don't know if y'all saw. I might have to go rewind the footage. This was laying right here. So, but it shouldn't even be vibrating. I guess if you hit a bump, I don't know. That's why you should stab this stuff. Where is it at? This has to be stabbed into that bracket, guys. Man, let me get this whole housing out. Like I said, I'm committed. Let me get this housing out, guys. We'll take a closer look. Hold tight. Alrighty guys, as you can see, I have the new harness in here. Guys, now the important thing you need to memorize is with this, you'll see these little push pins, they there for a reason, guys. They're there to stab into the little hole right here. I got that one stabbed in there right there, and as you can see, there's clearance between this harness and this head. So this one harness should not rub on this head like the old one did. Alright, so yeah, so let me put this in place.